problem, we're just going to ask the user for input and have them push Control D when done. As you can see at the bottom part of the screen, this is the code being ran. Deposit, withdraw, 500 and 100, and the total amount will be $400. For the second question, we want to enter a list of students in a Python class and application class, and just print the common and differences between those students. And this is the code ran in the bottom of the class. You can see the list for Python and web page or web app and the similar differences. For list sort, we're just gonna take a list, add it to a dictionary, then have the values be sorted in a list. So if you run that, this is what you'll get. Longest substring. Run this, you'll get 3 and KEW, and that's with the word PWWKEW. Basically, you can see through the code that we're just going to go through each letter, and if we already seen it, we're not going to add it to our current dictionary. Then we're going to go through that dictionary and just print out the keys. And this is the code. So if it's seen, that means we already seen it. We don't want to add it in there, so we're going to set I back to the previous letter and add 1 for the next letter. That's position. Clear the thing, then equal the longest between the max and longest and current position, and reset current position back to 0. Else we're going to add the letter to the dictionary and add 1 to both the current position and I. For airline booking system, we have a few classes. It's just person, it's just a name, and an employee, which is going to be a person, so it inherits from person. And we keep track of salary and the number of employees. The full-time employee, which is inherited from employee, so it has everything employee has, except we're also going to keep track of hours worked. And we have a function that's if full-time and add bonus if they are full-time. Then we have a simple class flight, which keeps track of the different seats on a flight. And a passenger who's going to inherit from person, but they can also book a flight if they want a flight. So if they book a flight, we give them a random booking ID and a random seat. I know it's not realistic, but that's just how we're going to do it for this example. Then we're going to do a simple get booking ID and get seat functions. So if you run this code, you can see what the output is here. Then for the last one, we're gonna get a page and find where table is, and then iterate through the right table where we see table in class and just have everything stored. And then we're just gonna write that out to a file that we opened up. So if we run it, it's done. And we do get this warning about parser not being explicitly specified, which is alright because it'll still allow us to do this.